The Trump administration says it will stop funding research into mRNA vaccines, ones that have helped fight respiratory viruses like COVID-19. Health and Human Services Secretary Robert F. Kennedy Jr. says he will pull hundreds of millions of dollars from vaccine development. ABC's Rena Roy has the latest.
The Trump administration now pulling millions of dollars that would have gone to critical vaccine research. The Department of Health and Human Services canceling pharmaceutical contracts totaling $500 million in funding for the development of mRNA vaccines. HHS Secretary and longtime vaccine critic Robert F. Kennedy Jr. making the announcement Tuesday.
For some illnesses, mRNA vaccines may be very useful, and and that would include cancers. But for upper respiratory infections, we canceled 22 trials for upper respiratory infections.
Infectious disease experts say mRNA vaccine technology, extensively studied since the early 2000s, is safe, and they credit its rollout during the first Trump administration with helping to slow the COVID-19 pandemic. They warn future pandemics will be harder to stop without the help of mRNA.
They can be produced rapidly, they have saved millions of lives, and we are using them to do research on things like HIV and cancer and RSV and CMV and all kinds of other viruses, even the flu virus. So that this is going to leave us very vulnerable. This is potentially a dangerous decision, according to many health experts.
Kennedy says they'll instead be focusing on developing whole virus vaccines, which use a different technology to battle viruses.
This does not mean anything for the current vaccines that are in existence. The flu vaccine is not an mRNA vaccine, but I think, again, this is really where are we going in the future.
The American Medical Association says they're concerned about this plan, pointing out that COVID vaccines saved countless lives.
This is just the latest in a string of vaccine-related decisions made by RFK Jr., who has pulled back recommendations around the COVID-19 shot and fired the panel that makes vaccine recommendations. Rena Roy, ABC News, New York.